Hello guys, welcome to Prevailing Media. Today I'll be teaching how to create a professional logo with letter I and A. Please, if you are a new member, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and comment. Thank you very much. Okay, first of all, just open your Pixellab as you can see. After opening your Pixellab, just click on this plus icon. Then after clicking on click on shape. Then you have something like this. Then click on the mark. Then click on the shape again. Then click on plus. Then click on shape. Then click on this square something here. Then after clicking on it, just I'll be choosing this one. So then click on mark. Then rotate it. So after rotating it, you get something like this. Then just enlarge it from this top something. Just enlarge it like this. And after doing that, just you see you get something like this. If you are not satisfied or if you are not satisfied, just click on this place. Then go to position. Just position it very well. As you can see, it's well positioned now. Then just go to this layer something. Then click on plus. Then after I just merge it together. So after merging it together, sorry, I forgot to delete this picture, this background, this new text. Yeah. So you get something like this. After getting something like this, go to crop. Then crop the big area. This shape, this my shape. Just crop it like this. Then click on OK. Then enlarge it small. No, sorry, we made a mistake. You can redo it here. Then go to crop again. The thing's supposed to be like this. Yeah. So you get something like this. Just go to relative position, then position it to the middle. As you can see. Then lock it. Go to this layer, then lock it again. After locking it, just click on this plus icon again. Then adjust this thing like this. As you can see, I'm moving my hand. Just adjust it to the middle. Then go to the color, then click on black. So you get something like this. Then click on this shape again. Then go to relative position, then move it to the middle. Yeah, you get something like this. Then merge it together. After merging it, just go to erase color. Then click on mark. Then click on it again. Then just pick this black something. The black, sorry. Click on it. Then click on black. Then you get something like this. Mark it. Then you get something like this. After getting something like this, just lock it. Then click on this plus icon. Then click on shape again. After clicking on shape, then go to color, pick on black color. Then you get something like this. Then adjust it from this place. Adjust it like this. So you get something like this. After adjusting it, then just go to layer again. Click on this layer icon. Then copy it. Then after copying, you see something like this. Then then move this. So then move it like this. Just move it like this to the middle like this. So you get something like this. You can, if you are not satisfied, you can just move it small. You just go to position, then like this. So you get something like this. Then lock both of them. After doing that, just click on this layer something again. Then click on this place. Then copy it again. Then move it here. Then after moving, just go to color. Then enable the color. Just then click on white. Then mark it. Then go to crop. Sorry, get something like this. Then let's pick on, just go to shape again. Click on shape, go to plus, then click on shape. Then you get something like this. Then go to click on black. So there is another way to do it, but because I'm using landscape, that's why I can't just do it something like this. Then click on this place. Then go to this one. Click on here too. Just merge both of them together. Then after doing that, just go to erase color. Then enable. After enable, click on this, pick something. Then pick the black color. Then you get something like this. After getting something like this, just go to rotate. Then rotate it. Yeah. You get something like this. But before that, just change the color to white, because as you can see this black color here. Just go to color, enable it, then change it to white. So then you get something like this. You can rotate it again if you are not satisfied. Then you get something like this. Then go to this place, then lock it together. After locking it, just click on this layer again, then go to this, click on this place, this one, then copy again. After copying it, then rotate it like this. Make sure this edge is here. Then after doing so, you can move it, you can go to rotate, then try to rotate it here. So you can move it so to know whether there is a mistake. Yeah. So then move it, just go to position, then move it a little bit like I said. So after getting something like this, just enlarge this thing, then go to color, then enable the color, then go to pick on white, then you get something like this. After getting something like this, then click on this place, then click on the last one, and make sure you click on this place, this one. As you can see, as I'm clicking on it, you can see this white stroke around it. Then click on it, then merge both of them together. After doing that, just go to erase color, then as you can see, you get something like this. Then you can enable the tolerance. Yeah, so this is what you get. No need of picking the color again. Then after doing that, go to here, click on ship again, then adjust this place like this. Then after doing that, go to, just click on the color to be white, then you get something like this. If you are not satisfied, for me I'm not satisfied, just go to edit picture again, then make sure the thing is on this edge something. Yeah, as you can see, it's here. So after doing that, just go to then merge everything together, every shape, just merge it together. After merging it, then you get something like this. After merging it, just go to erase color, then enable, just click on this thing icon, then click on black. Yes, after clicking on black, then mark it, then go to tolerance. You can see, because of this one, like move it to 20. If you are not satisfied, you can just go to color again, then click on color, then click any color. For me, I'll be choosing white. So you cannot just move to this layer, something like this that I'm clicking, and go to color, then click on the color, then get something like this. So just put any name you want on it. After putting it, the work is done. So you can emboss, you can do it as a watermark, anything you want, just as you can see. So to make your work more clean, just click on this place again, then click on relative position, then move it to the middle, then click on unlock it, then click on copy, then go to relative, then move it to the middle. Then after doing that, just match both of them together. After you match both of them together, you get something like this. Then after getting something like this, just you can copy it if you like. For me, I like to copy because of yeah, you get something like this. Then your work is finished like this. Thank you very much for watching.